This ain't Texas. Oh shoot. Brass. It's by Tommy Hilfiger. Did I say figure? But this is shiny. I didn't want it to be shiny. I mean, she's cute. One side is concave. Surfboard. Y'all remember that word? Wait, is it concave or convex? Girl, if I be wrong and strong. Lay it down. Okay. I mean, bravo. Is it the index finger or the middle finger? I'm confused. It's good. It's good. That's my ministry. I don't know about y'all. Amazon. I'll link it for you. This ain't Texas. I did not attend the Cowboy Carter tour, but I saw enough of it on socials and I got the hat. I didn't know how I was gonna feel about it, but I don't know, I'm kind of digging it. I got it in blue denim as well, and it's so cool because it has buttons on the sides, so you can like go rodeo or unsnap and go like round the way type vibe. So yeah. There we go. It's an amazing dupe for the Miu Miu version, which is pricey to say the least. So yeah, the top, I love it because it's not your streamlined tank. It kind of looks like that from there, like it's a little bit baggy, but it's designed to be kind of like surfboard. All the Beyonce isms today. I just love my outfit today. My bracelet is new as well, and they all came from the same place. So the hat, the top, the bracelet, ASOS, link down below. Okay, so today we have another haul. Zara Home and Amazon to be exact, and I am so proud of myself, y'all. Every time the Zara Home sale comes around, I usually go ham. Like, I usually drop a bag. But I only got 3 things, so bravo. Y'all, can we settle this real quick? Is it the index finger or the middle finger? Because I'm confused. Even though I didn't get a lot from the Zara Home sale, I definitely got a bedspread. Yeah, that it never fails. I always get one. It just is what it is. I had been eyeing this one since it dropped on the site months ago. The one I got, was that last year? Yeah. I'm not sure when it was, but the last earth tone that I got, the earth tone bedspread, it was more on the olive green side, and I knew I wanted to get the more brown one later when it went on sale, and we got her. Now, I ain't gonna hold you. I opened the box and I was like, because it looks almost identical to the olive one. So I was like, okay. So I dug through my inventory so I can compare the two. I brought out the pillow cover that matches the olive bedspread because these things are heavy, and yeah, I wasn't finna hold 2 of those up. So if you can tell, hopefully you can on camera. Let's see. From here, from my viewfinder, it definitely looks like, yeah, that's the same thing, but it's not. I'll probably have to do a close-up because honestly, this thing changes with the light. If it's artificial light, it looks more green. With daylight, it looks more brown, but I hope you can tell because slightly but surely they're different. So yeah, got this. I love it. I did think it was going to be a little bit more brown, just judging by the display, but like I said, depending on how the light hits it, it changes colors, and it blends perfectly with my brown pillows, my brown blanket that I keep on the foot of my bed. So I can't wait for winter to be among us so I can lay it down. Lay it down. Next up is this little tray. I fell in love with the shape. It's different from, you know, your typical rectangle or circle. It kind of looks like a boomerang, which, fun fact, that's my favorite movie. Like, number one. I don't know how many times I've watched it. I could watch it every day if you let me. Like, it's comedy, romance, a few conspiracy theories are in there. So yeah, but anyway, like I said, I fell in love with the shape and I got it to pair with the vessel that I have in my kitchen. I just love how silver looks up against how rustic the pot is. And this isn't super shiny like chrome, but it's like a muted silver. Actually, I feel like it's steel. I fell in love when I saw it on the site. I did think it was gonna be a bit bigger.
That's what she said.
He's a little fun sized. I wanted to put a candle in here, but the ones I have on hand are way too big. Like, unless I put it in the middle, it doesn't fit. I'll probably just end up buying some little mini ones to use in this tray. I don't know why I'm like blanking out today and going off on tangents. Gotta be the hat, but I mean, she's cute. And because one side is concave, y'all remember that word? Wait, is it concave or convex? I'm pretty sure it's cave, because cave is like, how can my teacher, wait. Girl, if I be wrong and strong. Yes, yes. My teacher gave us a trick where concave is like in a cave, like you're tucked away. So I don't know, it made sense at the time. But I liked that one side was concave, so it would feel like it was hugging my vessel, if that makes sense. I'll show you a video or a picture so you guys know what I'm talking about. But yeah, that's her. Love it. Okay, I lied. So I said I got 3 things, but I really got 4. But this is a set, so it's still 3. Yeah, that maths. So these are just waffle towels and the hand towel size. I really wanted to get like a bath sheet, but they didn't have any available, so I just got these. And I really love using waffle towels in my bathroom. They just, I love the way they look up against my linen shower curtain. The depth, the dimension, different textures, amazing. And right now I have gray ones in there and I wanted to change them out. I got these mocha brown ones from H&M a long time ago, and those never restocked. So in one bathroom I'll have those, and in the other one I'll have this one. These are actually dark brown, but they're coming up black. Even in person they look a very dark, but they're just a very, very deep chocolatey, yummy brown, and I just love them. I feel like they're gonna look so good. I got some new brown bathroom mats to go in my bathroom, so yeah. And that's it, that's all. Nothing else to really say. I do love, because the towels that I currently have, the waffle, the squares are, they're not big, but they're bigger than this. These are very tightly bound or woven. Whatever the correct terminology is. But yeah, those are those. So that is it for Zara Home. On to the Amazon portion of the video. You guys know I love Gallery Half. It is probably my top 3 places I go to get inspiration. I love looking at their Instagram account. I love their book. It's right here to my left, right there, that dark gray one. If you don't have it, it would behoove you to get it. Okay, because the inspo in there is just, it's such a good feel. Like, and I imagine that everything there is bank breaking. So looking at them and having them to still display in a book is just amazing to me. I love it. Another thing I like to do is go to their Instagram account and like screenshot something I'm very interested in that I know I don't want to pay a lot for. Because yeah, like a light or a picture that I'm interested in, and do a Google image search. Do a Google image search. My gosh, Google. Now my voice is cracking. What is going on? A Google image search, and it'll bring up like similar items. Yeah, great tool. So I did that with this and found these. I actually have a video clip that I want to share to show just how close this piece is to the ones that are in the book. So run it.
Well, let's take a look at our monitors.
So you see this lamp here? Look at the shape. I mean, we have it in mustard. Still so good. We got the red number here in the book. But again, the shape is just, you see the vibes? Amazing, right? Yeah, I know. I don't even want to begin to imagine how much the original ones cost. But these were under $50 on Amazon. Amazing. Insane. Love that for me. Just my steez. I've ordered sconces from this brand before. The brass base. No, those are actually sconces. Sconce bases that I have in my bedroom came from this brand. They do such a good job. The stuff that I've gotten does not look cheap. As you can see, this doesn't look like a cheapy, shiny gold. It's more like a fine brass, if you will. So yeah, love that. It can be hardwired, but you guys know I rent, and I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. I did try my little mini puck light trick. These little, they're like disposable, you can't recharge them, but they're little mini LED puck lights. They were okay, but they didn't give off enough light, which is why I haven't mounted these anywhere. So I am saving this, or these rather, for a more permanent space, because I feel like a little bulb was just, it'll be so good, so pretty. And yeah, I just can't, y'all, that little double layer, I don't know what it is about that. The lamps in my bedroom, the sconces that are above my bed or beside my bed, that little double tier, I don't know, it's kind of my thing. So yeah. Oh, let me see. I don't even know if these work anymore because oh, they do, but I don't have a okay, I don't have the remote to make the color yellow, so just ignore the strobe, the rainbow situation. But you see how, like, you can see the light, but it's not bright. And you're probably thinking just use the USB rechargeable light bulbs that you used before. But like I told you guys, they all come with like this thick white band, and that's tacky. I can't do that to this beautiful piece. So until this is hardwired or I find a US rechargeable light bulb without that thick band, she will stay stored away in a box, safe. And yeah, those are those, and they will be linked because I checked today and they still have a few available. Not a lot, so run. I have been loving globe lighting as of late. I don't know what it is. It just, because you guys know I usually do like a naked bulb or a linen shade. Those are usually the two I do. Like, that's it, that's all. But that globe light covering, yeah, it's good.
It's good. It's all good.
The key is to have a tasteful and thoughtfully designed base. So that could be concrete, that could be metal, it could be stone. That'll work. Like I said, that style light has really been grabbing my eye and intriguing me lately. And I came across these lamps, y'all. Oh, they're so good. I think I initially saw them on Cherish. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was Cherish. In love. Then I saw them again in Arvin Olano's home. Still T. No notes. But the price. The price, y'all know how this go. Everything I like is just so dang expensive. Like, expensive taste. A blessing and a curse. So I decided I wanted to try to recreate them. So this is the first lamp that I purchased where I was like, okay, I can have that aesthetic for less. This is from Home Goods. I got it like months ago. You guys know I haven't been there in a while. And it was on clearance for like, I think it was like $32. It's by Tommy Hilfiger. Did I say figure? Tommy Hilfiger. It has a marble base, which, okay, that's great. But I wasn't in love with the globe because you can't really tell here on camera, but this is shiny. I didn't want it to be shiny. I wanted it to be matte, like the originals. So I did a Google search and came across this guy, which is not as big as the one I just showed you, but judging by the dimensions on the originals, I think this is closer to the sides, so that's fine. The globe light cover is truly matte. Love that. And of course, we're gonna have to work on the base. I do plan on going to Lowe's to get some paint swatches or the little paper swatches to see what color I want to do the base. I don't know if I want to go darker or lighter. We shall see. I might even get this shaved truffle shade from Color Atelier, this lime paint, because that'll also give me some color variation. But yeah, it's gonna be so good. As much as I love the lamps that I have on my nightstands in my bedroom, they don't give off an awful amount of light. Like, which is fine, but sometimes I need a little bit more. So I'm thinking about redoing these and replacing the lamps that I have in my bedroom. We shall see. We shall see. So yeah, that's that. And my last Amazon purchase is not glamorous, but it's aesthetically pleasing and functional. And we love that. With all the bedspreads that I have purchased from Zara Home, from Amazon, just all the bed linens that I have, I'm busting at the seams storage wise. Like, and it's hard to keep that stuff neat. You know, you can fold stuff nicely all you want, but when you go to get it, sometimes you mess up the stack and it just stays messed up because you don't feel like bothering with it. Well, at least that's me. That's my ministry. I don't know about y'all. So I got these, which whoever came up with this, oh my gosh, a genius, because the whole mechanism of it all, wait. Whoever invented this and got rich, you're a genius, because it's not even the most complex idea. Like, it literally, I'll probably have to show you guys a video on the side of how it works, but it comes like this, right? Oh, shoot. Kind of like an unfolded box. You fold your linens, put it here, and then you just close it up like a box, like literally like a box. And you get this, which is so much easier to store, organize, and grab when you need it. It comes with this little top handle, which is amazing. So if you wanted to, actually I think this is the way you're supposed to do it. You just store it like this on top of your closet or in your laundry room, wherever, and then you just pull it out, right? I love that it has a little transparent film right here so you can see the color of whatever the linen is. And then it has this little pocket up here. I know I brought those things in here. Hold please. And then it has this little pocket, which you can add labels. And it comes with these labels. Just so convenient. I love that. I know whoever thought of this was a woman. I know she was. Girl power. I haven't labeled anything because I kind of know what I got. I just need to see the colors. They come with pre-printed king or queen, so you know what size it is. And then you have a blank one if you want to write something special. So it's cute too. It's nude. I mean, need I say more? Amazon. I'll link it for you. Okay guys, that is it for me today. Thank you so much for tuning in and spending some time with me. So happy with all this. Hope you guys liked it too. Like I said, I will link what I can down in the description box. And yeah, that's it, that's all. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell if you haven't. Take care of yourselves, those around you, and your mental health. And I will see you guys in my next video. But until then, peace out.